Hi and welcome back. It's another sit-down video connected to the baby. I'm currently 23 weeks and 5 days pregnant. If I do the math right this time, I think I have like around 16 weeks left. So I was getting a bit anxious about what to pack, what to bring with me to the hospital. Because if you ask my husband, he will tell you I'm a chronicle overpacker and yet I always forget all the essentials. So, bird bag to the rescue. A couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling on the internet. I don't know if it was Facebook or Instagram. Either way, I got an ad for a pre-packed bird bag. I said, right, let's take a look into it. So basically what it is, it's like a pre-packed bag with all the essentials you need as a new mom or spending your time in a hospital while in labor, and also a little bits and bobs for the baby. And it all comes in a nice changing bag or a weekend bag. And since we kind of already decided on a backpack we're gonna use as a changing diaper bag, it needs to be like neutral so Andrea can carry it, I opted in for a weekend bag, which I don't have. Now I do. So without further ado, let's see what's in it. Right, so this is a bird bag. You can get like just a bird bag without a weekend bag or a changing bag, but I wanted to have a nice weekend bag I can like reuse and everything. So I got this canvas leather, fake leather one. It's really nice. It looks like quality made. It has a big pocket, like a little zip one, and then two small ones for your phone, even though my phone probably won't fit into it. And then it comes with a strap. That's the bag. And the essential bit, the bird bag. So let's see what's in it. Right, the first thing, oh dear, yeah, this package here will come as a reality check to me, because up until 2 months ago I didn't really know that you're bleeding after giving birth, so yeah, I have a lot to learn yet. So, maternity pads, 10 maternity pads, plastic free, chlorine free, perfume free, natural materials, extra soft. Good, because I'm basically allergic to all the chemical shit. Really thick. See how that goes. They're quite long, which I do like, because my bum is not that small. What's the next item? Slippers. Because that's, I'm 100% that's the one thing, well, out of many other things, that I will forget at home. So yay, someone is thinking instead of me. Slippers for the hospital. Oh, they're so tiny. Diapers. Little diapers. They're so soft. Aww. A muslin blanket. Well, how big is this? It's quite normal. Good. Can never have too many muslin blankets. It's the only thing I know. Aww. It's a little Pluto. It's a Disney plush from Posh Paws, and it's suitable from age 0, which is good. And it comes with a tea bag with Puka Motherkind Pregnancy, nature's finest organic herbs to help care for pregnant moms. It comes with a Cadbury Whisper chocolate, small Tic Tacs, and oh no, it's not chocolate. It's hot chocolate. It's not chocolate, it's hot chocolate. Good. Andrea, you will be making me snacks in the hospital. Diaper bag for diapers disposal or your maternity pads disposal. TMI? Person? Okay, that's a good one. It's a full pack of Pampers New Baby Sensitive Baby Wipes. I am kind of planning on using just water wipes when I'm out and about, and at home I'm gonna use just like cotton pads or something just to wipe the baby down. And afterwards, when the baby is a little bit bigger, I'm gonna probably go and use perfumed or other wipes. Okay. It is a... Alright. It's a mirror and... That's not really... That's hard to open. That won't be really useful for me because can't open it because I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. But at least if it's inside the bag, I will remember to pack mine because... Yeah. Little cotton pads for... I think you use them for cleaning around baby's belly button. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what they're for. What else? What else? We're still not done yet. Comes with a little baby hat, scratch mittens, and pair of socks. 3 things I don't have for the baby yet. Toothbrush, little toothpaste. That's good. Okay. That toothbrush head is like huge. It's huge. Okay. Socks for mama. They are size 37 to 48, or in UK 4 to 8, which is good. I'm gonna give birth in the end of July, so I might not need them, but you never know. Either way, they're not really my color, but hey, if they're gonna do their job, I'm all for it. What's that? Lanishoh. Oh, breast pads. Another thing I didn't really need. You need when you're in labor or after, like soon after labor. But I've been kind of experiencing those leaking problems already, so another TMI for you. Right, another cotton pads. And there are 2 things left. What's this one? Yeah. iPad for your eyes, not the tablet. So you can sleep during the day, which is good. And some, oh, how do you say that? Earplugs, yeah. And a pair of earplugs. Probably that's something that Andrea will need, not me, with all the crying and yeah. Right, and the last thing in the bag. Oh, it's actually a bag in a bag, which is quite full. Right, so we do have Anyah, that's close to my name. Eco Spa treatment, a daily nourishing formula conditioning shampoo. Oh, they really did think of everything. Shampoo for your hair. body cream, body wash, soap, vegetable soap, creamy bath soap formula with moisturizing blend of jojoba oil. That's awesome. A chapstick, because I will forget that for sure. And hair dye, which I already lost. Right, so that's it. That's what bird bag, pre-packed bird bag contains. Actually, the only thing I really need to add in is clothes for me, clothes for the baby, phone charger. I think we're good to go, but not too soon. Let's wait for another 15-16 weeks. So that'll be it. If you're interested in buying one for your own, the link will be in the bottom. I'm not in any case sponsored by it, because as you might see, I'm just starting out with YouTube, so yeah, it's not an ad, I'm not sponsored, I just love the product and I decided to order it for myself to get a nice weekend bag and to start getting organized for the labor and the baby. So yeah, till next week. Bye.